Hello everyone and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Siri. My name is Siri. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. So today I'm going to make French toast bread. So let's start. Now I'm going to put a pinch of salt in a egg and milk and some black pepper and some chili flakes. This is optional. I like to have something spicy. That's why I'm going to use the chili flakes. If you don't have, you can skip it and just whisk it. I'm going to pour this mixture in a plate and later on I'm going to dip this bread in this mixture, but first let's heat the pan. Now I'm going to add butter. So while butter is melting, we can dip the bread here, like this, and put it here in the same way. So we can leave this for 2 to 3 minutes. In 2 minutes, I'm going to flip it. And again, leave it for 2 minutes. So now, as you can see, it's a brown on both sides. So it's ready to serve. I'm going to put it on a plate. And this is a French toast bread. Well, you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well as don't forget to hit the bell icon. So see you next time. Bye bye.